So India's two most powerful companies, Tata Group and Reliance, are now ruling the United Kingdom. Tata Group, one of the most successful company in India, bought Jaguar and Land Rover from Ford. Even they are going to invest $5 billion to build a gigafactory in UK. And Reliance Industries also brought some profitable British companies. And India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, brought a very famous British hotel, Stoke Park, for £57 million. And the list can go on and on, but the question is, how India is buying the United Kingdom's largest companies.
Indian companies are increasingly becoming global players, acquiring companies left and right. One of the largest strategic destinations for Indian companies is none other than the United Kingdom. The two countries share a distinct history with one another, one that is built on controversies but also trade, investments, and business cooperation.
Every major country has a brand that's synonymous with its national identity. In India, it's Tata Group.
First, let's talk about how Tata and Reliance are taking over the entire British market. So Tata Group bought Tatley Tea Company in 2000 for $407 million. Then this company became a global tea company, and now Tata is making billions of dollars from Tatley Tea. Let's talk about the economics. So the United Kingdom's GDP is $3 trillion and India's GDP is $3.3 trillion. Although India's economy is larger than the UK, but India's population is also much more than the UK. That's why India's GDP per capita is 2,277 and UK's GDP per capita is much higher than India, which is 47,334. So you know the difference between India and UK's economy.
India's economy is now bigger than the UK's. This is symbolic news, and honestly, it isn't a big surprise. But since people like talking,
Tata Motors purchased Jaguar and Land Rover from the Ford in 2008 for $2 billion. That's why Tata owns two most famous car companies in the world, which is Jaguar and Land Rover. And that's not enough. In 2024, Tata Group announced that it would invest over $5 billion to build a gigafactory in UK to manufacture electric car batteries, and this will be Tesla's first gigafactory outside of India and one of the largest in Europe. And that is really amazing. We talked about how Tesla Group is gaining ground in UK. Now let's talk about how Reliance is capturing the Britain.
The Mukesh Ambani-owned Reliance Industries Limited bought Stoke Park, UK's first country club, for $79 million. The UK-based company, which owns and manages a hotel, sports and leisure facilities in
A British company named Rover Limited, which manufactures batteries, Reliance Industries bought it in 2021 for £100 million because the batteries will remain valuable now and in the future. Reliance Industries bought Hamleys, a toy maker company, for $67 million, and now they are making millions of dollars in profit every single year from Hamleys. Even Mukesh Ambani, the owner of Reliance Industries, bought British hotel Stoke Park for £57 million. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in Asia, so he can do whatever he wants. And Wipro company from India is also investing a lot of money in Britain.
Wipro to acquire British consultancy firm Capco for $1.45 billion. This is touted as the biggest acquisition ever by the tech giant, post-acquisition.
In 2021, Wipro company said we're gonna invest £16 million for over 4 years to establish a 20,000 square feet innovation center in London's Holborn. The center will provide technology expertise to companies in UK and globally, including digital, cybersecurity and cloud services. Even Wipro acquired London-based Capco, a global management and tech consultancy, for $1.5 billion. And Infosys, India's second largest software service company, acquired Brilliant Basics, a London-based product design and customer experience company, for £7.5 million. So this is how India is buying United Kingdom's largest companies, and India is making a lot of money. By the way, if you are looking for some amazing t-shirts and watches, then check out my shop, link in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. I see you in the next video.